Minasbad. The blade measurement is taken to fit the length of the arm of the bearer, that it must balance on your finger when held in the middle, and that the test of its sharpness and the skill of the bearer is proven when the blade can decapitate a carabao in one stroke. Polix rubosa. Minasbad. Utility and artistry in a Bicolano blade. The road is sharp, like a blade out of a scabbard, slicing through forests, rice paddies, and sari-sari stores, with bamboo benches leaning on lampposts. There's nothing of that sort here, as I hit a hump, reminding me of handguards and escrimas. Coffee shops and bars with fancy cars replaced Manoy's Kamalig and Damulag. I hear a man crooning his blues in a nearby videoke when I'd rather hear the Ibalong Phantom Epic Chanter, stabbing whirls of cigarette smoke with his vibrato-ridden, grease-shaped voice. Mapagalon, mapagalon, magpedal, wala man kinagbabakal. I sing to myself in the tune of that itinerant peddler, selling ice cream I can only lick from clouds. My bicycle cringes at the sight of an orange dump truck. And yes, it sings of solid waste management and of apartheid disposal. Will I be able to dispose of my merchandise the way a bolo could sever a carabao's head? I cut myself yesterday and the blood spilled along with the buko juice. I had to apologize and replace the drink before I could rip my shirt to cover my wound. Not that it doesn't happen all the time. I was sculpted by blade, arrows, and fist blows back in Mount Asog. In fact, the Minasbad is my brother. I hear myself reciting an oath the way US Marines do it in pirated movies our tribe would watch after a day's work planting and hunting. This is my Minasbad. There are many like it, but this one is mine. This is my Minasbad. And yes, I am useless without it, and it is useless without me. And I am useless without money, so here I am peddling for my Christian Ninong from the coconut plantation. He made the Agta Catholic, gave sardines and chants, even organized mass weddings. And along with vows were promises, testaments of livelihood, and legislative presence, only to be lined up for photographers, researchers, and filmmakers. And Christianity is fidelity to broken promises. The first Mass at Limasawa, the walls of Intramuros, the Treaty of Paris. Yes, an agta can also read. As they say, agta maloko. A red car cuts me into a halt, and expletives fly across my face. Instead, I offer buko juice to calm his drunken nerves. Magsaysay Street is home to alcohol and caffeine, prayers, business deals, collegiate project meetings, and kissing scenes. The kind US Marines do before they go fight jihadists in Iraq, Afghanistan, and Syria, or before the CIA goes covert in Maguindanao. The Agta don't do it that way. Boto lang, we say. Penis only. Cut the chase. I never liked fair-skinned women. I'd rather have one darker than me, kinky-haired if possible. Knows how to cook, do dishes, and nurse infants. So she won't have time for smartphones and selfies, as they call it. And wait, there's a group trying a groovy now, even in this dark alley. I slow down. I see 4 motorcycle riders going their way. Dope. All 4 of them by the way they strut towards the group. They talk to the ladies, flirt with the ladies, and the ladies run away. The boyfriends going up front to confront but get beaten up. The molesters now caress and kiss the ladies, drawing knives, all four of them. I come and sell my merchandise in the dark, Agta style, almost invisible. Buko po, presko, chak, chak. My bloody Minasbad can dispose of coconuts and heads.